I'm Tricia Fox.
I'm Gary Fox.
And we're here to talk about our experience with Starway Roof Systems.
We needed gutters. They're a local company and called them and they would come to Snowshoe.
Snowshoe is what they call a bedding town, meaning that everyone lives here and works somewhere else for the most part. But there are some small businesses like ours. We own and operate the Cramer Family Mountain Inn along with my brother and his wife. So we had a roof put on our home. We had original gutters, they didn't replace those. And so with the new steel roof, it was shingle. It really caused the water to just run over the gutters. I let it go for a while, but then it got to be too annoying, and so we called Starway to see if they could help us out with getting them bigger. Because we had such a great experience with them at our own home, we brought them into our bed and breakfast because we needed gutters here.
Oh, without the gutters, when it got cold, if it was raining, if you got ice, it was making the sidewalks and the walking areas turn to ice, so it definitely helped us there and hopefully avoid a lawsuit at some point.
So our day starts early. I drive a school van. We own a repair shop, auto garage, as well as we have a school contract or bus contract with the Bald Eagle Area School District. So I take kids to school in the morning in the van, and my husband drives school bus. And then of course we run this bed and breakfast, as well as there's this gift shop that you're seeing right now. Our day and our week is pretty busy. We work 7 days a week. So when it came to needing some gutters for our bed and breakfast, finding Starway as one of the folks that would actually come up and see us, and then having experience with them, it was just a no-brainer.
The pictures they sent me was from Company Cam, which was prior to the job installation. It broke it down to each section. We were just doing gutters. You know, they give me the shots of the areas of what they were replacing and the areas that they were installing. There was no surprises. We were on vacation till we got home. It was already completed. It was very nice because I didn't have to worry about a thing and didn't have to worry about cleaning a mess up or nothing. I mean, you didn't realize they were there unless you went out and looked.
We've already decided when it's time to replace the main roof of the bed and breakfast, we are definitely going to give them a call. It's steep, it's on the 3rd floor, and so we need someone that knows what they're doing and we know their work. So we will definitely be giving them a call.